Hello guys, it's me Melon here. Now we're going to be rating ES alarms to one is the worstest, and 10 that really gonna make me pee in my pants when I sleep. I'm gonna think about this to my whole entire life until it stops. Now let's get on to it. Now let's try Japan's. Let's see. Okay, that felt 1 out of 10. This sounds like a freaking casino. It's like you just won a casino. Like you just really won a casino with $100 in your bank account. Seriously, who does that? Who makes an ES alarm so kind? They're gonna be like thinking that it's just the news, and all of a sudden a freaking whole entire meteor comes and hits you. So. Number 2, let's try Germany's. 2 out of 10. That sounds like you're just in a club. You're just hearing this. You're just literally. That's all you just hear. Man, who literally puts an ES alarm like this? Oh, God. USA alarm. Did that just really make my earbuds bump? Just freaking bust. Seriously, do I look like I'm going literally sleep at night hearing this? If you think it's peaceful, you're crazy. You're a psycho. You're a psycho that listens to that every single morning. Okay, let's hear Hong Kong's ES alarm. So. Can somebody tell me why Among Us was posted on there? Texas ES alarm. So this is basically a Amber alarm. Let's hear it, guys. 10 out of 10. I might have to freaking. Okay. This is about to make me go in full blast. So imagine you're walking down the street. Imagine walking down the street in your city in Texas. And all of a sudden you hear. So you're walking down the street and you stand and look at something. And it goes like. Okay, I might do a part 2 soon. So I might do I will do Asia first. I will do Asia first. So Asia second. So goodbye.